Alright guys, today I want to do a full unboxing review and setup of my new 80-watt portable speaker. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending this out for you, but let's go ahead and take a look at it. I love having like different speakers for different events, but always want to have some kind of music playing. Alright, so it looks like shoulder straps, remote, I like the charging cable. Yeah, and the actual speaker itself, and that is sweet. That is very cool. Show you the top part right here, different buttons and functions. Let's go ahead and power it on.
Bluetooth mode.
I might go ahead and connect it to my Bluetooth, but I'm gonna just point out some of the cool features. Look at those cool lights on there.
Bluetooth connected.
Let's put some music on and then I'll show some of the ports back here.
I'm ready for the sermon. Every chance I get, I gotta make it back. I'm just trying to listen to the preacher, but here come the deacon who be asking for a feature. Worship come on and I'm popping my collar. I taste the giving, it's more than $1. Remember every put my Ford and my Honda. Now God got me right, I make more than my mom. 10 miles of runs, but you never know what's in them. I remember the days walking around with the venom. Now I'm in your TD back or jacket with the dinner.
That sounds really good. So you can actually control the play and pause right here. Hit next, hit previous. Sounds really, really good. So let's go ahead and look at some of the ports back here as well. So you got a professional mic right here, auxiliary, earphones, live, OTG. It's got like a little micro SD card, USB, and then where you actually charge it. So you can actually hook up a guitar to this, a microphone to this. You can play your music off of, like I said, the USB, micro SD card. That is really cool. And I like that it seals back up so you don't have to worry about the ports getting like damaged or dust getting in them. This just seals it really, really nice. So one of the cool things is how portable it is. So you could either just take it through here. Like I said, it sounds really good. I'm able just to carry it just like this. Like I said, they also sent the straps that you can use, the shoulder straps that you can just hook up to these sides right here. And then they also sent the auxiliary as well, so you wanted to hook it up to something directly. And then I went ahead and just put batteries into the remote. So it has a lot of cool features. So like I said, you can just start it right here. Go ahead and pause it. You can obviously put the volume up, put the volume down, mute it. Some of the other cool features that I saw in here was like sound effects. Go ahead and hit giggles. They got laughter. Maybe if you're doing karaoke, some boos. That's hilarious. Whistling. See, like I said, it's got other ones on there, so I thought that's kind of neat. Like I said, you could switch the mode right on here. So that way, if you're not wanting to use Bluetooth, you wanted to jump to like the USB or anything like that, you can do so. And the reason the number pad is there, so if you want to select like a certain song from like the USB or from like the micro SD card, you can just select, oh, it's song 10. So then you would just put 10 on here and then it'll play that song. So I thought that was really neat. So this will come in super handy, especially like I said, if you're at an outdoor party and you don't want to have to keep running to this, you don't have to. There you have it. If you guys are looking for a nice party speaker, camping speaker, outdoor speaker, even indoor speaker, just a cool party speaker, definitely look into this one. Like I said, it's got those lights right there, all the different supports back here. You're bound to have something that'll work for you. And then, like I said, 24-hour battery, so that way you have music for all day, all night. It'll charge within 2 to 3 hours, so quick charging, and like I said, it'll last you 24 hours of playtime. So I thought that was another cool feature. So if you're looking for a cool party speaker that has some of the nicest bass that I've heard, definitely look into this one. This one checks all the boxes for me. I'm gonna leave that link down below.